Hello, good morning students. We are discussing cost analysis. In the earlier video lectures, we have discussed fixed cost, variable cost, as well as average fixed cost, average variable cost, and average total cost. Today, we are going to discuss the most important topic of the chapter, marginal cost. Marginal cost exam point of view भी important है और मार्जिनल कॉस्ट हैज अ ग्रेट इंपॉर्टेंस इन प्राइसिंग थियरी. मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर समझने के लिए, प्राइसिंग थियरी समझने के लिए भी मार्जिनल कॉस्ट का कॉन्सेप्ट वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज मार्जिनल कॉस्ट. मार्जिनल कॉस्ट सिंपल डेफिनेशन क्या है? कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोड्यूसिंग एन एडिशनल यूनिट. ગુજરાતી માટે મેં ભણ્યા જશે એક વધારાના એકમને ઉત્પન્ન કરવાનો ખર્ચ. મોર કરેક્ટલી, change in total cost when additional unit is produced, or addition to the total cost incurred by producing an additional unit. Addition to the total cost incurred by producing an additional unit. एक additional unit को produce करने से total cost में क्या change आता है? That is called marginal cost. Okay. So symbolically, marginal cost is equal to TCN minus TCN minus 1. Marginal cost or is equal to delta C upon delta Q. Delta quantity, change in output, and delta C, change in cost. Suppose I am taking example. Suppose we produce 10 unit and total cost is 100. Now suppose we produce one additional unit, 11th unit, and total cost increase from 10 to 107. Okay. तो change कितना है? 7. So marginal cost is 7. Okay. वही सिंबॉलिकली दिखाया गया मगर अलग एंगल से. Okay. So marginal cost is equal to TCN minus TCN minus 1. So what is marginal MC? Marginal cost, TC, total cost, and number of unit produced. So now we have produced, कितना हम लोगों ने प्रोड्यूस किया है? 11 यूनिट को प्रोड्यूस करने का खर्च कितना है? 107. अगर उसमें से एक माइनस कर दे तो कितना है? 10 यूनिट का कॉस्ट कितना है? 100. सो मार्जिनल कॉस्ट विल बी 7. प्लस करके और माइनस करके सेम रिजल्ट. Okay, so that is marginal cost, cost of producing an additional unit, change in total cost when additional unit is produced. Now here very very important point should be noted that marginal cost is not related with fixed cost. They are independent to the amount of fixed cost. There are no fixed marginal cost. Marginal cost को fixed cost से साथ कोई लेना देना नहीं है. Therefore, more precisely, marginal cost may also be defined. अगर परफेक्ट डेफिनेशन है तो चेंज इन टोटल वेरिएबल कॉस्ट व्हेन एडिशनल यूनिट इज प्रोड्यूस्ड. जनरली क्या कहा जाता है मार्जिनल के? चेंज इन टोटल कॉस्ट व्हेन एडिशनल यूनिट इज प्रोड्यूस्ड. बट मोर प्रिसाइजली, व्हाट इज मार्जिनल कॉस्ट? चेंज इन टोटल वेरिएबल कॉस्ट व्हेन एडिशनल यूनिट इज प्रोड्यूस्ड. सो एमसी इज इक्वल टू टीवीसी. टीवीसी क्या है? टोटल वेरिएबल कॉस्ट, एंड minus total variable cost and minus 1. Now we will try to understand the shape. We have already discussed that there are no fixed marginal cost. Marginal cost से को fixed cost से कोई लेना देना नहीं. तो shape of marginal cost is similar to the shape of total variable cost because it is derived from total variable cost only. So falls in the beginning, reaches at minimum level, and then rising. Okay. Operation of increasing returns. Okay. Operation of diminishing returns. Decreasing cost, increasing cost. False होगा and then rise. The shape of marginal cost is as similar as total variable cost. Okay. But थोड़ा sharpness ज़्यादा है. Falls in the beginning and reaches at minimum level and then rises. Okay. That is marginal cost. Now today we are also discussing the most important topic of your syllabus, relationship between average cost and marginal cost. Average cost matlab here average total cost. Okay, we have discussed average fixed cost, average variable cost, and average total cost. What is average cost or average total cost? It is summation of average fixed cost and average variable cost. So in this diagram we will discuss the relationship between average cost and marginal cost. As we observe from diagram, when average cost is falling, marginal cost is also falling. Okay, when average cost is rising, marginal cost is also rising. Average cost falling, marginal cost is also falling. When average cost is rising, marginal cost is also rising. But you can observe from the diagram that when average cost is falling, marginal cost falls more rapidly than average cost. And when average cost is rising, marginal cost rises more rapidly than average cost. What is the reason? Because यहाँ average cost का behavior क्या है? Falls in the beginning, reaches at the minimum level. This is the normal capacity, and उसके बाद rise हो रहा है. Because marginal cost is representing the behavior of additional. Therefore, अगर average cost falls होता है तो marginal cost ज्यादा fall होगा. Suppose हमने example लिया है कि an electricity generating plant has optimum capacity of producing 10 lakh kilowatt power. Okay, मतलब वो जब 10 lakh kilowatt power का प्रोडक्शन करेगी, प्लान करेगा, तो कॉस्ट मिनिमम होगा. तो 5, यहां सपोज 5 है, 6 है, 7 है, 8 है, 9 है, 10. जैसे जैसे हम 5 से 6 टाइम, तो क्या है? मार्जिनल है, एडिशनल. 6 से 7 मार्जिनल, एडिशनल. As we move towards the optimum capacity or normal capacity, क्या होगा? Marginal cost falls होगा. Why? Because you are moving towards the optimum utilization of available resources. 5 से 6 का कम होगा, 6 से 8 का कम होगा, 8 से 9 का कम होगा, ऐसे 10 का मिनिमम होगा. Getting my point? Therefore, when average cost is falling, marginal cost falls more rapidly than average cost. Now 10 lakh kilowatt power है, उसमें से 11 तो और ज्यादा हो जाएगा, 12, 13, 11, 12, 13, 14. जैसे आफ्टर बियॉन्ड नॉर्मल कैपेसिटी आप जितना भी प्रोडक्शन करेंगे तब क्या होगा कि कॉस्ट विल इंक्रीज. कॉस्ट विल नॉट ओनली इंक्रीज, इट इंक्रीज एट इंक्रीजिंग रिटर्न्स. तो ऑपरेशन ऑफ डिमिनिशिंग रिटर्न, तो कॉस्ट ज्यादा बढ़ेगा. 11 से 11 यूनिट का पर 11 किलोवाट पावर से पर यूनिट जो कॉस्ट होगा वो 12 क्या उससे ज्यादा होगा. लाइक दिस it increases. Getting my point? This is the reason I am repeating. Okay, when average cost is falling, marginal cost falls more rapidly than average cost. What is the reason? Operation of increasing returns, okay, or decreasing cost. After when it rising, marginal cost rises more rapidly than average cost. What is the reason? Operation of diminishing return, decreasing return, or increasing cost. And last most important point, average cost and marginal cost cut at the minimum point. अथवा marginal cost cuts average cost at the minimum point. When marginal cost is minimum, average cost and marginal cost are equal. Okay, I am repeating. Observation क्या है हमारा? When average cost is falling, marginal cost is falling. When average cost is rising, marginal cost is rising. When average cost is falling, marginal cost falls more rapidly than average cost. When average cost is rising, marginal cost rises more rapidly than average cost. When average cost is minimum, marginal cost and average cost are equal, or in other words, marginal cost cuts average, marginal cost curve cuts average cost curve at the minimum point. Okay, so this is the observation from the relationship between average cost and marginal cost. Okay, so in today's video lecture we already discussed what is marginal cost, cost of producing an additional unit, change in total cost when additional unit is produced, more precisely change in total variable cost when additional unit is produced. आज के लिए इतना रहेगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच.